Yep, yep, yep. Mm, are you okay? Can I help? Here, you need to go to the bathroom. I can help. I'm trying to get you magazines and TV and sunlight and decent air, and all you want is to go to the bathroom. Let's get you up, and then I really gotta. Are you okay, Mom? Mom, is this how you dance with Daddy? Is this the end? There's nothing more.
There's
Hello?
nothing
Are you with
more.
me?
Wait, ano yung
There's
ending? Hindi ko
nothing more to
na-gets.
say.
Joke.
Hindi
Hindi
ko
ko
na gets
na-gets.
din. What is this? Are you like you're interested in this kind of things?
Hindi naman.
What
Para
is this?
lang
Is this
ano.
like a theater or something?
Yeah.
Where did you get these
Naka,
things?
mhm.
I used to ano, I used
But,
to
y-
not used to stay. I'm still very interested into like
yeah.
spoken words poetry.
Ah,
I used to go to
really?
Cebu just to attend those events.
Mhm.
Yeah. I really like listening. Yung hugot-hugot.
Ah, hindi. Ako
Sa
more
Davao
on
din
like
meron.
this.
Mhm. Mas popular kasi siya sa Cebu. So, one time I went and it's good. Meron yung sikat na isa, sino yun? Ay, yung nasa teleserye nila Nadine and James one time.
Hala, hindi ko alam
I forgot
yon.
his name. I also like listen to the English ones and Tagalog ones, but it's nice. I'm very, 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 very,
But
very
ano, I used to
like it.
be in theater.
But
May theater group ako
really, like
before.
play.
Yes, ng college.
Oh, that's
Yes.
cool. So you are good like in conveying your
Hindi
feelings and
naman. Hindi
emotions.
naman
Char.
kasi ano, manager ako no'n. Hindi ako actress.
Mm.
But wait, let's natapos mo bang panoorin yung video? Parang feeling ko nakatulog ako for some parts do sa SFU video.
Yes, it was 26 minutes long,
Yeah,
but na-zone out ako ng many
me
times.
too.
Mentally somewhere
Me
else.
too.
Hindi kasi I really didn't like have good sleep because of
Same, hindi ko na-absorb.
kids crying all day and that.
Yes, I'm so sorry.
Oh, I wonder what is the post test. OMG. I think it's the same question and they'll
Yeah,
see if
same.
we answer them better.
Yeah. Hindi ko pa nabasa
Oh,
yung upload
but this is good.
speed
I like it.
thing.
Basahin mo na lang now. Go.
Okay, babasahin ko na siya ngayon.
Read it out loud.
There's a
Mm-mm.
reason most internet providers promote a plan's download speeds while treating upload speeds as an afterthought. Downloading the Nagdidrift yung utak ko. Downloading dominates what we use the internet for, from streaming TV and music to viewing this web page. Consequently, internet
Hello?
providers prioritize download speeds, often leaving customers with upload speeds that are significantly lower. So, what's up with upload speeds? Are they as inconsequential as some providers would suggest? Or do they play a bigger role in our connected lives than they get credit for? I'll explain why your upload speeds are important and why they may be slow and how you can improve them. 1 minute. What are upload speeds used for? Upload speed determines how fast you can send or upload data from your computer or device to the internet. This includes uploading files such as pictures and videos to social media or homework assignments. But upload speeds are also essential to video conferencing, voice calling, and online gaming. Similar to how download speeds affect picture and sound quality when streaming a show on your TV, your upload speeds affect how others see and hear you on the other end of your video conference or online game. Okay, tama naman yung sagot ko kanina. Slower and stable upload speeds are often the cause of awkward frozen screens and broken audio. Yun pala yung tawag dun sa mga yung technical stuff. When using apps like Skype or Zoom. Okay na girl, 5 minutes.
Okay.